Welcome back to Glam Designs by Anne. It's your girl Anne, and welcome back to another video. So today's video is going to be a little DIY, and I hope you guys' weekend is off to an amazing start, guys. It's a beautiful weekend, and I'm going to be creating a nice little vignette here on my kitchen island with this thrifted vase I got from Value Village a few years ago. It kind of reminds me of a ginger jar. It does have some sort of pattern on it when I purchased it, and then I think I had spray painted it, and then about a month or 2 or 3 months ago I touched it up using some chalk paint that I got from Amazon. So I think I'm going to give it another touch up. And I love using chalk paint because it dries so easily, and I actually like this chalk paint because it has a really nice elegant finish to it, if you guys can see. And I'm going to be reusing one of my Dollarama brushes to do that. We're gonna be using some florals and creating a nice centerpiece. I'm not really sure what I'm going to be doing. I have these eucalyptus stems. These are some really long ones. I have these amazing plush cherry blossoms that I got back in the spring, which I still like using. I love them because they're so flexible. You can bend them and shape them however you want it to look in your vase. And what I love about them, like I said, is that they're so plush and luxurious. And then I have these, so we'll see what we can create. And I also have some other eucalyptus stems that I may throw in and use, but before we do all of that, let's just refresh the vase a little bit and let it dry for a little while, and then we'll start creating a centerpiece. Also, guys, I have these small canvases that I got from Dollarama a while back. I did do a abstract DIY with some black and gold, and they were actually hanging above the entryway table. I recently shared a refresh of my entryway table where I removed them and I added a black starburst mirror that was previously in the window area in my living room, and then I removed it and I had it upstairs over my bed. And then when I refreshed the entryway, I decided to remove these DIYs that I originally had there and put the starburst mirror. So I went ahead and I painted over the abstract black and gold that I did on it previously, and I used some white acrylic paint. So I'm gonna go ahead and just make some sort of create some sort of pattern using these acrylic paint that I normally get from Dollarama, because what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to hang it in that area right there, just to spruce up that area and add a little bit of artwork to it. This is a great way to create artwork and add inexpensive artwork to your space, because artwork can be really expensive, and sometimes you can't always find what you're looking for that goes with the aesthetic and, you know, the color palette that you have in your home. So let's see what we can create, guys.
I just promised you my time, and I'm giving it to you, babe. So why you being accusive? Your emotions running wild. If you don't calm down, I can't stay. Breathe in, breathe out. Let me speak now. What happened was a one-time thing. No bullshit, no lie. I swear I'll try to give you my everything. Baby, can't you turn a blind eye? Let it slide, let it slide. try to give you my everything. Baby, can't you turn a blind eye? Let it slide, let it slide. Look the other way this one time. Let it slide, let it slide. I'm entitled to some fun while I'm young and dumb. Swear that you're the one I want in the long run. Baby, let it slide. Oh, baby, let it slide. Baby, let it, baby, let it, baby, let it slide. Baby, let it slide. Baby, let it, baby, let it slide. Baby, let it slide. Baby, can't you turn a blind eye? Let it slide, let it slide. Look the other way this one time. Let it slide, let it slide. I'm entitled to some fun while I'm young and dumb. Swear that you're the one I want in the long run. Baby, let it slide. Oh, baby, let it slide. Now I say your name without the pain behind it. I'm moved on now. I'm not trying to impress you anymore. Spending all this time trying to get you out my mind. Oh, it feels so good to take you off the pedestal. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah, yeah, that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah. I'm going back to the table, and all they saving us it for the stable friend of mine. Cause they know all this time that I was out my mind, thinking you were the one, that it was love, feelings were strong. I should've known, I should know. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah, yeah, that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah. You don't care, you don't care, you don't care, you don't care. Could be good, then you fade away. You don't care, you don't care, you don't care, you don't care. Could be good, then you fade away. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for your lonely bed.